Today I want to show you how to create some organic sounds. I love to use them in my tracks, and you can pretty much create them from any sample. So let's dive into it. So I have here a kick and bass, simple one. Nice. And we're going to insert a MIDI track. Put a MIDI clip here and put one note. For now it doesn't matter the note, so I'm gonna put C3 and a legato note. Okay, cool. So we're going to insert now an instrument called sampler, one of my favorite ones, and we're going to insert a sample. You can use any sample, but if it has like a good range of frequencies, will be better. So let's go for example, a conga. You can search here for a conga. Let's choose a good one. Yeah, this is okay. Even this, anything. Okay. So we're gonna use just one part of the sample, like this one, and we're gonna put a MIDI instrument called arpeggiator. Basically, you now have this kind of sound, and we put the rate on 116. Good. And what we're gonna do is going to filter and put a high pass or a band pass. Let's start with the band pass. Put a resonance very high. Okay, and let's put the limiter before we damage our ears. Yeah, let's put -8. Better. Okay, what we can do now, we can put the envelope a little bit tight. Yeah. Also the gate a little bit tight. Okay, and we want to control these kind of randomly. Okay. What I like to do is to put a MIDI effect called velocity, put a random setting. Okay, can drive up a little bit. Okay, and we're gonna go to MIDI, and where it says velocity, we're gonna set to filter frequency and set this to 100%, and we have this now. You can manage the drive until we find the sweet spot. I think the normal setting is okay. Okay, sounding good so far. What we can do now is put some effects, because effects are the best. We're gonna use delay. Let's put a very fast one. Magic happen. Good. Okay. Gonna now use reverb as well. Can use both. I like this reverb, but hybrid reverb is also good. Give some extra space. Okay. And we can use another delay. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so let's cut off some of the lower frequencies here. Can use a stereo mono equalizer. We want to cut all the mono frequencies here, all the stereo also around here. On the stereo, want to cut a little bit more. So this very fast, and you have a really nice sound. And as I said to you, we can change the sample to anything else. I don't know, you can go to drums, even my voice maybe. Let's record my voice. One two psychedelic. Okay, let's check how it sounds. Any sound, because what it matters is really the frequency, high frequency, so the resonance can, I mean high resonance, and then you can release a little bit of the envelope if you want more sound. Okay. Let's check another one, just for finalizing. I don't know, Tom. Yeah, it's okay. You can really use Ableton once, so you can have it on your side, and you can recreate this. I don't know, anything, you know, like, yeah. Let's take a little bit down. Oh, nice. Let's change the rate a little bit. It's pretty much this. Really nice. Then you can maybe, I mean, change this a little bit. Imagine you have 30 milliseconds. You can where is the LFO? You can put LFO here, map to the time, put the depth 0. If it's 0, it's only like we had before. If you put, I don't know, 1%, it will change let's put glider or random. Glider is okay. So you have a little bit of movement. You can put 20%. Low rate. Sounds cool, right? 10% maybe. So that's it. Organic sounds. I hope you enjoyed. I use this in a lot of my tracks, and I just wanted to share with you. So please subscribe the channel if you want. Follow me, and big hug. See you soon. Cheers.